Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to share a Spotify Premium family plan. So if you have Spotify Premium and want to add your family members to your plan, just follow along. First, open Spotify and sign in to the account that manages the family plan. After that, go to your account page and select Premium Family. Now look for the option to add family members or invite members. Next, copy the invite link or send the invitation directly to the people you want to add. The person receiving the invite should open the link and sign into their Spotify account. After that, they'll be asked to confirm their address and join the family plan. Once the invitation is accepted, they'll automatically get access to Spotify Premium through your family subscription. Each member keeps their own separate Spotify account, playlist, recommendation, and listening history. And if someone can join the plan, make sure they're eligible for the family plan and that the information that they entered matches the requirements shown by Spotify. So that's how to share a Spotify Premium family plan easily. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.